time here, but I didn't want to come here like this. I want to come here and activate, but you have to come here. It's very hard. I thank you very much. My condolences to family. You know what she means to me, and it's really sad situation. I want to tell you guys that she loves her work and she loves her family. Thank you very much.
This is Good evening, everyone. My name is Marcia. A lot of people here knows me. I'm one of many work friends, but what I'm trying to say, I'm one of those friends that maybe might, would say, Marcia, do this, but we travel all over the world. We're friends from the school days. I'm kind of nervous right now, but if I didn't say something today and leave from American Communists, I would feel really bad.
That's right.
But Nettie's a very joyous person, and we're here to mourn her today, but she would want us to be happy. What she would want us to do is for all of us here that are not saved to give her a heart to Jesus Christ. I'm a public figure on Facebook. A lot of people here knows me. I sing, and I'm going to sing a song for her. She's somewhere around the throne of God.
Oh yes.
And I want you guys to participate when you get to the throne of God. I went to the house where Nadine used to live. The grass had grown up and covered the door. A neighbor across the street said, I know who you see, but she doesn't live here anymore. Come on. She's somewhere around the throne of God. She's somewhere around the throne of God. I keep searching and searching until I can find her. She's somewhere around the throne. Please stand up, people. Come on, please stand up. I went to the church where Nadine used to go. The pastor was standing, he met me at the door. He said, I know you see, and I know you're looking for, but she doesn't come here anymore. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. She's somewhere around the throne of God. She's somewhere around the throne of God. I keep searching and searching until I can find her. She's somewhere. I was planning to come down in the second week of March to have a birthday together. So I'm telling you, you don't understand what this means to me. It's my first time here, but I didn't want to come here like this. I want to come here and activate, but you have to come here. It's very hard. I thank you very much. My condolences to family. You know what she means to me, and it's really sad situation. I want to tell you guys that she loves her work and she loves her family. Thank you very much.